No matter how long you hide the truth. Listen to this Hausa proverb. Rana dubu ta ɓarawo, rana ɗaya ta mai kaya. This means a thief has 1,000 days, but the owner has 1 day. In Hausa wisdom, this proverb teaches that wrongdoing may continue for a long time, but one day, just one day, everything will be exposed. A thief can steal again and again, thinking they are smart, thinking they will never be caught. But the owner only needs 1 day, one moment, one opportunity to catch the truth. In life, some people lie, cheat, and take advantage of others. And for a while, it looks like they are winning. But success built on deception is temporary because truth is patient. Our elders believed that no matter how long darkness lasts, light will eventually appear. Today, people fake lifestyles, fake success, fake identity, but one mistake, one exposure, one truth can bring everything down. If you build your life on lies, don't be surprised when it collapses suddenly. The thief may have many days, but the truths only need one. Do you believe karma is real? Please share in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.